Hello and welcome to this video in the Google Shopping Training Series. Today, we will be connecting our Merchant Center account with the proper settings so that our products will be approved when they are imported. The settings are unforgiving on Google Shopping, so you must do everything as it is in the video or will likely have all of your products disapproved for shopping but approved for surface placements. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for the Facebook group where I give a 1-hour consulting call away. By subscribing, you're helping this channel reach more people and build up the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy the video. Load up your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Apps section. Open your Google Shopping app. In the middle of the screen, click on Connect Google Account. A pop-up will ask you to verify your account. Once verified, it should automatically gather your Merchant Center account information. If you have more than one merchant account, please select the proper merchant account from the list. Under the Store Requirements section, you'll have a checklist of 4 items that need to be put in place before you can continue on setting up your product feed. If you haven't already, you must go to your legal pages and create a Terms of Service and Refund policy, set up your payment provider, turn off your password on your Shopify Store. And the last piece is that you need information to get in contact with you. You need 2 of the following 3 items readily available on every page of your website: an email address, a physical address, and a phone number. I do typically put these inside of the footer of my website so it shows up on every page, but it's not in your face. You can get a 1-800 number from Freedom Voice for about $10 a month, and you should already have an email address you could put on the site. Make sure those are in the footer of your website, and failing to have 2 of the 3 on the list will make your product feed go into the disapproved state. Once you've completed those steps, scroll down to Product Feed Sync and click Get Started. You will select your account that you want to upload to in the drop-down box and click Connect. If for any reason you don't already have one set up, you can just click Create New. For target markets, we want to select our country and language. We're going to start with the United States in English. For shipping settings, you must select Manually Set Up Shipping Settings in Google Merchant Center. Continue, and you will have your products uploading to your Merchant Center account. Google says that it can take between 24 and 72 hours for your products to be approved, so please be patient. It won't take that long in most cases, but it could take up to 3 business days. One thing to be aware of is that the Google Shopping app in Shopify will show that your products are not approved. Don't pay attention to this. Look only at the Merchant Center account for approvals. Now, we're going to need to go back to our Merchant Center account and set up our shipping. Inside of the Merchant Center account, click on the wrench in the top right. Under the Tools column, click Shipping and Returns. And click the plus icon in the left-hand side. We're going to give this a name. And the service area is going to be the country that you're in. So for us, it'll be the United States. You'll select the currency, US dollars. Now, order cutoff time, I always do midnight and whatever time zone your ad account is in. Handling time, put 1 to 99. Transit time, put 1 to 99. And then under shipping rates, you're going to add a new rate. So for the shipping name, we're just going to put free shipping. And we're going to create a single rate for all orders. It's going to be a fixed rate and it's going to be 0. We want to show free shipping inside of Google, but we do have an option for paid shipping, but we want to show that we have the free shipping. That's all for today. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping training. Tomorrow, we set up our very first campaign. I can't wait. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.